In today's video, I'll teach you how to send Instagram Reels to SMS. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to send the Instagram Reels to SMS, first of all, what you have to do is go to the Reels interface. For that, tap on the Reels icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to see the reels over here. Find the reel that you want to send. Once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the share icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to send the reel. You'll be able to find various options like add to story, WhatsApp status, WhatsApp copy link, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for SMS and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select your messaging applications. Simply tap on your SMS application. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select whom you want to send the Instagram Reels. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to send them the message. Right over here, the link will be written by default. What you have to do is simply tap on the send icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, the link has been sent. Now whenever they'll tap on this link, that particular Instagram Reel will be opened. So that is how you send Instagram Reels to SMS. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.